Hey everybody, it's your coach Megan again.
And John!
And Coach John assistant. And we are here to talk about some cleaning stuff. I've got my cleaning helper here. I just put my carpet refresher on that carpet there. You see that one, the blue? My dog seems to think this is her personal bathroom spot. Ah, she's driving me nuts. Rosie, she's famous.
It also happens to the player too.
Oh, so I pre-treated with my pet spray, which is Thieves Cleaner and vinegar. And then I clean that up, and then just sprinkle a little of this carpet refreshener all around. And it has baking soda and purification. Super easy, soaks up the smell. And then when you vacuum it up in about 20 minutes, it smells wonderful. Do you want to put some more on the carpet over there?
Yes.
Okay. So while he's doing that, just sprinkle it on the carpet over there. Yep. Lightly. You don't have to use the whole thing. That's good. Okay. So now I was refilling. Let's see if I can do this smoothly. I was remaking my carpet refresher and ended up with some baking soda all over here. So I'm going to show you how I'm using my Thieves Cleaner. So this is the super concentrated Thieves Cleaner, and all you have to do is 1 capful to this entire 16-ounce bottle, which is awesome. Spray it on. John, can you grab a paper towel and show how nice and clean this table gets?
Just wait a second.
You can even use it on your glass, your mirrors. It's awesome. Yes. A paper towel, enough to clean off the table. And we will have my assistant clean off the table. And then, I was going to show you guys one more thing while he's doing that. 2 other cleaning things that I use. I use the Thieves Cleaner to also make like a soft scrub, and again, it's baking soda, but this has a little water in it, and it's thicker. It has a Thieves Cleaner, not purification, so it makes like a thicker stuff that's great for cleaning like your sinks and everything. So that is awesome. Ooh, John, nice job. And it smells so good. It smells like Christmas.
Yeah.
And last but not least, I did lots of dishes. Actually, my husband did lots of dishes this morning. And we used the dish soap, and we actually use just 1/4 of the dish soap, and then the rest is water and a little bit of baking soda to make the suds. So that's what I have for you for cleaning. I will see you in a little while in my laundry room, and eventually I'll get some makeup on my face, and we'll go from there. What's your favorite thing to diffuse, John? What's your favorite oil?
Probably Joy.
Oh, Joy. Well, the last few days he's been using a lot of Dye-Jais.
And yeah, Dye-Jais.
Had a little bit of some tummy troubles. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.